In this video, we'll take a close look at the symbols palette. Symbols are important in Illustrator because you can use instances. When a symbol is in a graphic design, Illustrator only needs to remember that symbol once, and every time other than that one time that it is repeated, it just remembers an instance. So by using symbols, you can keep your file sizes smaller and still have a lot of complexity in your designs. The Symbols panel can be opened by clicking on the Symbols icon here to the right, or by selecting Symbols from the window menu. The available symbols are shown here in the default panel, and they can be added to the scene by simply dragging and dropping them where they need to be. Symbols will work just like any other object, allowing you to scale, rotate, and move them as needed about the scene. New objects can be created as symbols pretty simply. For example, to create a new star icon, we can customize the stroke, give that stroke a width. With the new shape in the symbol defined, we can come here to the Symbols panel, click on the new symbol icon, and give the new symbol a name. This adds it to the current library and makes it available so you can drag and drop it in wherever you need it. If you need to revisit the name or the options for a symbol, simply select the symbol and click on this Options icon button. Then you can rename it or redesignate it. Symbols are also used heavily in the Flash application. Illustrator also includes several different symbol libraries which you can access from this icon button in the lower left corner. The Save Symbols menu option lets you save the current set of symbols out as a library. Each time you select a new library, it will open as a separate panel. You can also scroll through the libraries using these forward and back buttons located at the bottom of the Symbols panel. If you want to get rid of a symbol in a library, just simply drag and drop it into the garbage can icon. Symbols can also be used with the symbolism tools, which will be covered next.